Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm going to share with you a little foodie grocery haul. Oh, what's sticking here? This is stuff to carry us all the way for, little things that we needed here and there. So yeah, I got, of course, cheese strawberry Danish that my husband and I share. That was $1.49. Guys, I bought 2 of these. I like to add fish to this. I like to add shrimp. They are fish fritter mix. These are good. Even you could just make the fritter mix like this and fry it by itself, and it's absolutely delicious. 2 for $3. So I bought both. Also, I find on sale strawberries. They were $1.49. So, yep, I got 1 package. Also, we needed bread. I have not bought bread for quite a while, since the beginning of the month. And I finished our bread. I made grilled cheese last night, so our bread finished. So I believe it's $2.29. Guys, have in mind, we spend $79. Yes, you heard it, $79. And guys, let me tell you, nowadays, you have to take a mortgage or equity loan just to buy eggs. I'm just saying. Oh, and also they had a limit of 2 per customer. They are putting limits now, 2 per customer. But we only bought 1 dozen, and this dozen of eggs was $5. It's still affordable. And this one was the grade A extra large eggs. The England best are the cheapest one that they've been having at the supermarket, but they were wiped out. And they were, the England's best are $3.49. So when those are on the supermarket, I like to buy 2 of those. Better quality anyways. I still have eggs from the last time. We have 2, 4, 6. We still have 8 eggs in the fridge. So now we have those. So you can never have too many eggs. Especially, I'm going to be making a lemon pound cake. All right, let's move on. Like I say, let me guard these eggs. I told my husband, guard the eggs with your life. I don't care what you drop. Just don't drop the eggs. All right, I bought 1 of these. See, here in the United States, what do you guys call this? A lemon or a lime? Now, you guys call this a lemon? I don't know. A lemon, right? But in Puerto Rico, we call the green ones lemon. Yeah. So here you guys call this lemon, and the other ones limes. So, but this is a lemon, and the green ones are a lemon in Puerto Rico. But this one were 2 for $8, so I only bought 1 because that's all I needed for my cake. So 50 cents. Of course, I bought the honey mangoes. They were 79 cents each, so I bought 3. And they're nice and soft and juicy, so that's gonna be delicious. And of course, you guys know, lately we've been having a lot of fried plantains with garlic, so we bought 2. We bought 2. This one, I never cooked it, so it didn't got sauce, so I don't know. I don't think this is any good, but you never know. I'm gonna leave it there. Just until I cooked and I cut it. If it's no good, it goes in the trash. But other than that, this apple, they were 89 cents a pound. I grabbed 3, but my husband noticed that one of them was no good. So this was 89 cents a pound. So it was 79 cents for both of them. Because they didn't weigh, I guess, enough. And of course, I grabbed some taffy to put on my little corner, snack corner right over there. In the corner right over there. Yep. So we grabbed some taffy. And of course, we grabbed some flavored sparkling water. So yeah, I grabbed the kiwi and the grape. So I grabbed 2 of each. Grab 2 of those. Gonna make it nice for the photo. Yep. All right, what else do we got here? And then, oi, we got honey ham and cheese. $1.88 for the cheese. $6.05 for this pack of chicken thighs. You get 2 chicken thighs in each little individual pouch, which is good. So it's only my husband and I. So before I put them in the freezer, I separate them. So let me put this in the sink there. And then this one, they're about to expire, so they put the price down. Always look for prices like this that you this was $5.12 original price right there, $5.12. So they brought it down to $2.56, and also it has the date. You can see the date, so you still have time to freeze it. So this is good. You get 3 drumsticks in this pouch, so that is awesome. You can never beat that. So it costs you less than the regular price. So I grabbed 2 of the drumsticks, guys. 2 of the drumsticks. So this one is still frozen a little bit because they have this in the freezer. So, yep. So that's where this meat is going, to the freezer. So there you have that. And my husband grabbed 3 boxes of his favorite ices. 3 of these. So yeah, guys. And guys, I also got some items from the Dollar Tree. Not food items, but decor items. Guys, you need to get to your local Dollar Tree. And hopefully you can find what I got. I don't know if I want to show it to you guys, or I could show it to you in the decor. Let's see how long is this video. This video is only 8 minutes long. I'm going to show you in this video. Hold on. All right. So, I got all these petunias. I got yellow in the lighter color. I got 5 yellows and 2 in the lighter color. Because this petunia, like I told you guys, I'm being with the yellow kick. So I'm going to put these flowers, not all of them because that would be a lot of flowers, but I'm going to put 1 yellow one in the greenery. Of course, I'm going to spread it out to look nicely. 1 there, 1 there, or 1 there, 1 there. And then maybe I do the lighter one in the center and 1 over there in the corner. So yeah, guys. So I got the flowers. And they had gloves, you know, like what, you know, the you know, the gloves that you hold the pots and stuff. They have the one that says Happy Easter, but I didn't want to buy those. They were cute, but I didn't want to buy them because once Easter is over, you have to take them down. So what I bought was, the ones that says like this, Happy Spring, that you can use for spring, bring it to summer, take it to the summer season. So also I bought for summer the yellow gloves as well, and I bought the lemon towel. So I got one towel, because that's all I need. That's, you know, one towel with the lemon, one with the flowers, one of the gloves, and then of course I bought one of the lemon towels for the without any writing. This one doesn't have any writing, so I got two of the lemons with one glove. And then I only bought one of these because they didn't have any gloves or holding pots with this one, but that's fine. So, and guys, of course, oh, and I bought this. I'm going to be decorating my tier tray, so I bought this one, which is different. This one has like to see the candle inside, so the light is better. So yeah, I got this one. All right, now this is, I never get lucky if I'm able to buy glass or plate at the Dollar Tree, because by the time I get there, it's all sold out. I put the paper inside. So I got this one. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at the flower. So I got two glasses because it's only my husband and I. I'm not going to be doing big tablescapes anymore for now. So I'm going to be doing a tablescape soon. And then I also I found the plates, guys. I found the plates. So look at this beautiful plate, guys. Look at the beautiful plates. Simple, beautiful plates. So I didn't buy the salad plate because I'm going to use either a clear plate or a white plate. Yeah, guys. So that's what I have for you today. So let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye.